Hi everyone. Today Apple released iOS 16.3, which is available from iPhone 8 all the way up to 14 series. And there are a few cool features and some bug fixes. You can see here this update introduces a new Unity wallpaper to honor Black history and culture in celebration of Black History Month, security keys for Apple ID, and include other enhancement, bug fixes, and security updates for your phone. So it says here what it includes, and I'll start with the wallpaper. So it's a new wallpaper which you can add here. See here, Unity is called Unity wallpaper and designed by Black creatives and allies at Apple to honor Black history and culture. So it's a cool feature. You can change the color. If you select the wallpaper, you can swipe right and it changes color. And I thought it's a cool looking wallpaper. You can also adjust the time. You can choose the font and color from here. And I thought it's a cool feature added, in this iOS 16.3. So the first thing is the support for physical key, which is another layer of security to your Apple ID account. So if you go to your Apple account ID and then you go password and securities, so I've noticed, after updating to iOS 16.3, it's taking a bit of time to open apps and stuff. So let me just redo it. So you go to password and security. So basically you have a physical key. You can see here it says add security keys. Physical security keys provide a strong form of two-factor authentication. So it's just another way of securing your account, Apple ID account, in which you can save the security key in a physical key. In next video I'll show in detail how you can do that, and it's another layer of security Apple has added in this new iOS 16.3. And also if you go to iCloud and you go to advanced data protection, so here iCloud encrypts your data to keep it secure. Advanced data protection uses end-to-end encryption to ensure the iCloud data types listed here can only be decrypted on your trusted device, protecting your information even in the case of data breach in the iCloud. So that's another new feature which was initially introduced in iOS 16.2, but is fully available in 16.3 and is available globally. Excuse me. And now you can turn on advanced data protection and go through those steps, and you can set it up. I'm not gonna do it, but if you go through those steps, you'll be able to set it up. So another new thing in 16.3 iOS is emergency SOS. So in this category, the call quietly, this is a new feature has been added. If you turn it on, you can start an emergency call using gestures above. Warning, alarms, and flashes will be silenced. So in case of emergency, panic situation, if you can now call quietly 911 or wherever you live for your emergency number, and that way it'll be safe to do so. And I thought it's a good feature in 16.3 because before this 16.3, if you call emergency, it starts flashing and makes weird noises and sounds, which could be dangerous for you. It's not good for your security. So other things, there's little bug fixes and tweaks here and there, especially in Apple Music. The bug has been fixed where Siri may not respond properly to music requests. So that problem has been solved in the 16.3. And another thing, if you use Apple CarPlay, that bug also has been resolved. And there are few updates for HomePod as well, which has been fixed in this iOS 16.3. So overall, yeah, it's a good update, and I recommend it to do so. I also updated this iOS 16.3 on iPhone 11. And as usual, this phone always gives some kind of problems since the iOS 16 started. So once you go to iPhone storage, it's not bad, it's loading right away. But before, it was taking too long to show this breakdown of your iPhone storage. But so far it's working good. The battery drain is not so bad on both phones. And that's it for today, and I'll see you next video.